Hello everyone! So, Baja was pretty awesome, but it was pretty hard on our trailer. It's in the shop for repairs now. We hadn't planned on traveling much this summer, but obviously we can't travel at all until the repairs are complete.
And our Baja trip also gave us some time to check out other people's rigs and think about whether a trailer is actually the best type of RV for the type of traveling we like to do. So, is it time for a new rig?
Our trailer is in need of some repair. The slide honestly has given us problems from day one. It gets cranky after driving on bumpy roads, refusing to go out straight, getting stuck, and then you have to use a special technique to get it straight again. It's really just a hassle.
So we're thinking we really need a unit without a slide. For us, the added interior space, although awesome, just isn't worth the trouble.
Also, the bumpy roads plus almost flipping our trailer in Baja have taken a toll on our trailer's suspension, so our leaf springs need replaced.
This makes us wonder if we could use something that is more suited to the rough roads we often find ourselves on.
But what should we be looking at? A smaller off-road trailer with no slide?
Or maybe we should just ditch the trailer idea altogether and switch to a van, but of course one that could handle going off the beaten path.
But if we do go the van route, do we buy something pre-built or attempt to build our own? So many questions, so many options.
So that's how our summer is going so far. In terms of the channel, we'd like to personally thank all of our regular viewers.
And our irregular ones too.
Lame jokes aside, it does really encourage us to see all of the views, likes, and especially the comments every week.
However, summer is a slow time for the channel. A lot of people are traveling, hosting, and attending outdoor events. Understandably, viewership drops dramatically.
I think this is why network television often does reruns in the summer months.
So for the first time in over 3 years, we're going to take a break from our weekly releases.
We're still going to have some Home-A-Roam specials, including a newbie guide to Baja and a video all about the safety considerations while traveling in Baja.
But on weeks where we don't release a video, it's a great opportunity for you to catch up on episodes you've missed.
On our channel page, look for Watch All Seasons from the Beginning, then pick a season and hit play.
And in the meantime, we're going to continue getting our trailer back on the road and deciding if we're due for a rig change-up.
Please keep in touch on Facebook and Instagram, and if you haven't already, by signing up for our Insiders email list on our website. We will continue to send out weekly email blasts with news and updates.
So thanks again for watching. We're signing off for now, but we'll see you again soon.